Additional probability problem for you here. It's about Andrea, who's a fantastic zombie slayer, but she's getting kind of tired. See, here she is with her ponytail and her sword, and yeah, a couple dead zombies. Anyway, the probability that she gets some rest, because she is very tired, it says that the probability that she gets some rest and then survives the next day is 17 out of 20. So the probability that she gets some rest is 15/16. What we're being asked to do is we're being asked to find the probability that Andrea survives the zombie horde, given that she rested. Okay? So these are really, really tricky because this gets misinterpreted a lot, the given that she rested. Okay? So the way I like to solve these is tree diagram. So check this out. She could either rest or she couldn't. So let's say she rests or she doesn't rest. Okay? Now, if she rests, that doesn't mean she's going to live or that she's going to die. Either one could happen. So she could either live or she could die. Now, if she doesn't rest, doesn't guarantee she lives or dies either. Either thing could happen. Okay? So these are our possibilities right here. Now, we are told that, first thing we're told that is that the probability that she gets rest and then survives is 17 out of 20. So the probability that she gets some rest and then survives, so this whole branch is 17 out of 20. That's what we're given. We're also told that the probability that she gets rest is 15/16. So this is 15/16. Now, if I wanted to fill out the rest of it, I could. This would be, these are our two possibilities. So this would be 1/16, right? And the probability that she rested and died then would be 3/20, because these have to add up to 1. Okay. What we're being asked to do is figure out, find the probability that she survives the zombie horde given that she rested. So given that she rested means that we're not going to concern ourselves with this portion of the tree diagram. We're only going to consider this part right here. We're being asked, given that she rested, what's the probability that she lives? Okay? So the way this would work is this probability times this probability equals this. That's how the tree diagrams work. So what we can do is we can just set up our simple little equation right here. So 15/16 times the probability of living equals 17 over 20. To solve that, all you got to do is multiply by the reciprocal. So these reduce, make 1. Let's go ahead and reduce this. Let's see here. 4 goes into this, like that, and then let's see here. 68 over 75. So the probability that she lives is 68 over 75. I hope this helps. Now, get rest so you can survive the zombies.